Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create like two different kinds of custom bags that you can, use, design, create. So the first one I did just using these regular, gift bags from Walmart, 33 cents a piece. That's how much they were. And only thing I did was come up with covers that you could put on, the front as well as the side. So, I measured it out and I figured out what it was. And look at that. You guys, that turned out super, super cute. And, of course, the front is the same as the back. So if you want to also put it on the back, you can do so as well as, the side. You can take the side and put it on both sides. But I thought that was super cute. Of course, the measurements for this is going to be on my Patreon page. And then the second one that I came up with is to actually just create the bag from a standard size of printing paper. So we are going to go ahead and create that bag right now. And then of course you can add whatever you like to it. You can also add these things to the outside of it, print it out, cut it out, and just glue it on the bag. You can also buy stickers, put stickers on this bag because it's just a regular, it's just printer paper. It's just printer paper. Unless you want to, you know what? I think I'm gonna try to do mine with cardstock and see how that comes out. That way it's like a little bit more sturdy. All right, come on, let's do it. I'm gonna do it with cardstock, but you could use regular printing paper as well. So let's go ahead. Alright, so this is the one with the cardstock. This is how this one turned out. As you can see, they do stand up. And if you want them smaller, you know, just cut the bag down smaller. But as I was saying, you can also print something out and glue it to the front rather than, you know, just something like this. And this is just regular, good old printing paper. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.